Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flood switch seal in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flood switch seal. This flood switch seal is mounted on the top of the flood switch base under the dishwasher. It seals the opening through the dishwasher's bottom. A bad flood switch seal may cause a water leak, so if you have a puddle of water on the floor in the left front corner, check the flood switch seal and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Okay, now I'm going to pull out the lower rack, slide it out, and I'm going to remove it. Next, we need to take off this flood switch cap. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and my mighty power. I'm going to tilt it back and use this flat blade screwdriver. Alright, next I'm going to just lift off this float. Now we're going to unscrew this nut/base. Normally you should be able to do it by hand. If not, then there is the nut right there in the middle, so you can use the channel locks. And I'm going to lift it up. Next, I'm going to close the door, and we will go to the bottom of the dishwasher to remove the top panel. So we're at the bottom of the dishwasher, and this is that top panel I mentioned earlier. And there are 2 1/4-inch screws that we need to remove, and then we're going to take out the top panel. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take it off. And we're going to slide out the top panel. Next, I'm going to pull out the flood switch assembly. It's right there in the corner. And here's the seal that we are replacing. It's right there. This is the old flood switch seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to put the new seal on. It goes right in that groove. Kind of place it in, push it in, so it would be right there in the saddle. And I'm going to insert it into the opening. I'm going to find it first. And place it in. Okay, let's install the top panel. I'm going to place it in and align the holes. And next I'm going to secure the top panel with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. I'm using the nut driver, 1/4-inch nut driver. Now we're going to open the door. And now we're going to install this nut. We're going to secure the flood switch in place. Pull it up, and I'm going to turn it. Don't use anything else. You can just tighten with your hands. Or with your hand. That would be plenty enough. Now we can install this float on right there. And I can install the float cap. Press it on. Now I'm going to install the lower dish rack and push it in. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.